if you're looking for the complete workout, I think I found it, and it's all in one single unit, in one single box. It's really super cool. So we've got this part right here, which I will get to in just a second because there's so much to talk about. But check this out. You even have these, booty bands, these resistant bands right here for your legs, for your thighs. You've got resistant bands right here with attachments. So if you're actually doing, you can actually do some bicep curls and things like that with attachments towards your leg. You even have the door attachment. This one here will literally just go across the other room, so into the door, and it will stop it. So you're using kind of the frame of the door as that resistance, and then you can attach everything else you want to do. Whether it's leg work, whether it's upper body work, fantastic. The coolest thing is definitely this board. And I'm gonna show you exactly how this board is set up. When you open it up, you wanna take out these two handles right here and then turn it around. And I'm gonna turn it so you guys can see what I'm talking about. These handles will fit in these holes, but very specifically, you've got, and I think this is the genius part of it, is the color coordination right here. You know that, for example, the back, I wanna be working the back, I've got yellow for the back, meaning literally go like this, and I know I'll be working the back if I'm doing push-ups or planks with this position. Same thing with this position. Fantastic. Let me do some chest. Well, let's go and look at the blue. Clearly, the blue, the really, really tall one or the really, really wide one will work my chest, my upper chest. Fantastic. I'm looking to do triceps. Triceps are so tough. Why are they tough? Because they're so narrow. You're really not even working your chest at all. It's all triceps when you're doing that. And you can see in the B-roll the different positions, the different ways to do push-ups with this thing. It really changes the shape of your push-up, the shape of your body, and really targets exactly those positions here. Shoulders, same thing. Look at this. Shoulders, we know, you've seen them. These push-ups where you're kind of like almost like, diagonal when you're doing a push-up. Well, clearly it's because it's targeting that upper shoulder, that upper oblique in the back over there. Fantastic stuff. I love it, absolutely. Now, you might have noticed you've got these hooks right here. Well, these hooks are fantastic for one single reason. We talked about just before about these resistance bands. Well, check this out. I can literally go and grab, I'm gonna grab the red one just so you can see. Every resistance band has an actual resistance in numbers. So I know that this is the 20 pound. So if I say, okay, I'm not gonna go crazy today, I'm just gonna go 20 pounds. Well, all I'm gonna do is I'm going to make sure that, and I'm gonna grab this, just like this. I've got all these carabiners, it's fantastic for that. And I'm going to grab this right there and attach it to the 20 pound. And all I'm gonna do now is stand on this board. And as you can see on the B-roll, you stand on the board because you are the resistance. And then you've got that band. You can attach it to whatever attachment you want to make sure that you are pulling that 20 pound. And as soon as you're pulling that red band, it's a 20 pounder. I'll show you, for example, the black one is a 40 pounder. So you're gonna get a little bit more resistance there. You can do leg work with these. Obviously those side sweeps and things like that, you can do it with this, definitely. For the leg though, I do like to use the door positioning or the door adapter. It's a lot more fun, a lot better to do. For me, this board shines when we're talking about upper body. Upper body, definitely the way to go. And the fact that you can literally just pack this up, grab all of your attachments and accessories, put all of this in a bag, have this put down under your bed, in a closet, anywhere you don't want to see it until the next time you just pull it out, open it up, and you're ready for a complete body workout in a matter of minutes. I think that's fantastic. And before we go, if you are a total beginner and don't know what you're doing, I love that they actually have a nice little 3-phase challenge here. So if you want to do a 10-week program, they tell you day 1, day 2, and they literally go by obviously color, but they will name it out loud as well. And also tell you exactly, if you're a little confused, exactly how to work these different body shapes, obviously accessories, and how to use the whole thing for a full body workout. I don't think there's a muscle in here that you're not going to be touching with this total working out set. This thing is fantastic. It's really, really smart too.